another house tour inside the Masaito Development Corporation. So ito naman, grabe ang laki ng 300 square meter lot area ng Giselle Model House unit natin. So let's go inside, let's do the vlog tour. So ito, we have a carport. Grabe yung carport nito, yung design. Nakaka-amaze. And we have a porch for the main door area natin. So dito tayo papasok ngayon sa may kitchen area. Then ito yung mga another access natin for the lanai area if you want to take a coffee. Our unit is a single detached 300 square meter lot area. And meron pa tayong mga space dito sa area. So we have also a corner unit if you want the corner unit of the Giselle Model House unit. So ito kasi ongoing pa lang yung pagpipinish natin for the Giselle Model House unit natin. And in this area, our dining area, imagine your dining area here and the living area is in this side. So ganito yung magiging living area natin. So receiving area or living area. And our very maganda tong nila, design for our preparation area, the kitchen area. So ganito po yung actual turnover natin. And another space po, pagka gusto nyo pa nating, dito yung service area natin. So grabe ang luwang. So let's check in this side. So ang luwang po ng property na to, kahit saan ka umikot, mayroong pong space. And dito, we have our, so sarado yung natin, ground floor, bedroom. So, let's check this one, our ground floor dito. So, ito yung for our ground floor, for the senior citizen na mga kasama natin sa bahay. We have our common toilet and bath here. So, our bathroom here. And tara, umakyat naman tayo dito sa taas. So, ongoing pa yung pagre-repair po ng natin dito. Unit natin. So, ganda po yung pagkakagawa ng unit na to. We have our toilet and bath here. So, meron tayong tatlong bedroom upstairs. So, this is a bedroom number 1. The bedroom number 2. And our master bedroom. Let's check out. So ito po yung magiging natin, toilet ng master bedroom, toilet and bath. So para ka lang nasa elegant na toilet. So we have our bathtub, the lavatory, and the toilet. So grabe, nakaka-amaze. And this is area for the walk-in closet. And this is our master bedroom. So, paglabas natin ng master bedroom, we have a balcony here. So, our balcony here is to see yung view of our community. So, grabe, ang lalaki po ng mga bahay dito. So, if you want to know more, so, isa sa inyo yung magkakaroon ng bahay dito, this is also your dream house. So, maybe your dream house is makikita nyo po dito inside the Masaito Development Corporation. So comment now in my comment section and to learn more about the details of Giselle Model House unit.